Explore İnegöl Furniture Industry. With more than 100 years of history, İnegöl Furniture Industry is among the greatest furniture production centers in Eastern Europe. Thanks to advanced technology, sophisticated artistic labor, and its production capacity with optimal costs, the industry stands out as one of the production plants with the best price-quality ratio. In this city that holds 5 different furniture manufacturing industrial zones, there are more than 3,000 active furniture manufacturer companies. In İnegöl Furniture Industry's modern manufacturing facilities, which cover over 10 million square meters of area in total, $4 billion worth of furniture is manufactured. In the city, these furniture pieces, which appeal to any taste thanks to their rich variety of choices, are exhibited in more than 800 showrooms, which corresponds to about 600,000 square meters of indoor space. Besides standing out with the showrooms that are open for business every day of the year, the city also hosts international furniture fairs. Growing day by day with constant investments and its strong infrastructure, İnegöl Furniture Industry export furniture to over 170 countries. Currently, more than 100,000 people are employed by İnegöl furniture manufacturers. More than 3,000 of these employees are engineers, interior designers, and industrial designers. Centered between 3 airports, İnegöl Furniture Industry has a location that is only a few hours away from many European countries. The strong supplier infrastructure and port access, which is logistically quite significant, facilitates the manufacture and export processes in the city. On the other hand, the local and international gastronomic destinations and strong attractions that add to the captivation of the city promise world-standard experiences to business people. With its flora that embraces every color of the nature, its hot spring tourism that stands out with its world-famous facilities, and the Uludağ region, which is identified with its ski resorts, the city hosts hundreds of thousands of visitors in all 4 seasons. With its immense knowledge in design, manufacturing, logistics, and export, İnegöl, which has become a brand in furniture sector thanks to its resources, invites all the furniture professionals to explore İnegöl Furniture Industry.